Hey everyone, so let's mix the track. I will show you the settings which I use for the drums. This is my strip for the kick, strip for the snare, hi-hat. Almost everywhere I use compressor and distortion, some EQ, etc. Nothing fancy. And there is the whole drum kit, summon channel compressor. For the kick, in addition, I use LA76 compressor. For the snare, the same compressor. Hi-hat only EQ, you can see the low cut filter. And the only thing I want to add is the Universal Audio plugin to saturate a little bit the whole drum section. And let's make the sidechain to the hi-hat. I will use FabFilter compressor. And the same sidechain compressor for the shaker. So I'll just copy that. Okay, let's move to the bass. I'll start with the mono EQ. I will add the LA76 for the bass. Let's move on to the guitar. Sidechain compressor here. I will add the pull tech by Waves. And for the guitar summon track, I will add the Universal Audio Vintage plugin. And let's set up a cue for each violin. I'm gonna use LA2A compressor here. And let's add to the rest of the ensemble. And the next step is to mix trumpet. It would be great to add the chimes. Also, I want to add the bells, some simple melody to emphasize the piano. I will layer it with another synth. Okay, that's better. And the next step is the mastering. I will show you step by step what I've done. And the first plugin is Simple EQ, and I used the side mode to cut everything below 200 Hz. Then it goes compressor by waves, and I will show you what it does. The next one plugin is a Pultec. It's default settings, so you can see everything is on 0. And the next plugin is also by Waves. It's called TG Mastering Channel. You can see here. And I used the Vintage Mastering Glue preset. You can find it right here. And then I compressed it a little bit, and I added whiteness to the track. So I used this spreader here. And the last plugin in this chain is Ozone 9. I used the Simple EQ, then Dynamic EQ, Imager, and Maximizer to make it loud. So this is it. Everything is turned on, so you can hear the result. Hey guys, I hope you enjoyed the video, so please subscribe to the channel and press the like button, and I'll see you in the next one. See ya, bye.